Greetings everyone, greetings everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is T-Grush Realty. Today we are at True Homes. It's a True Home townhome and single family home community. New construction starting right under 300. You all, if you are renting, let me tell you, for just a couple of $100s or more, you could be owning and building equity. Let me show you around. So right now we are in the loft area. This particular floor plan features a nice oversized loft area. You can clearly see plenty of space to move around and entertain, which I absolutely love. And you get the natural lighting as well. Over here we have a nice laundry area. This laundry area has quite a bit of space for a full-size washer and dryer area. And you can do a folding. We have a little folding table for you to go ahead and fold your laundry, which I think is wonderful and cute. Over here, we have your ventilation system. Okay, so that's what that is right there. And I think this is a nice area for them to tuck that away so it's not taking up too much space. All right, let me take you down the hall here. You get a full-size bathroom right here. It does come with your vanity and the shower tub encasing as well. And it also has a linen closet over to your side there. All right, y'all, so let's take you further down the hall. Over to my right, we're gonna start here with bedroom number one. Bedroom number one has a nice flow to it. You see right here we have the double doors for your closet area. This closet is a decent size, you all. You can fit whatever you have, coats, blankets, shoes, whatever it has that you need to store it away right over in here. And again, this is a nice size bedroom, enough to fit a full size, even a queen size if you need a bigger bed space. And then over here to the side, we're gonna have bedroom number two. Bedroom number two is about the same size as bedroom number one, so you do get that same amount of square footage. And as you can clearly see, I can move around freely in here. All right, plenty of wiggle room. Same thing with the closet area. You're gonna get that deep seated closet for all of your nice things that you can tuck away. I'm going to take you on the opposite side where you're going to see the owner suite, or what we classify now as the primary bedroom space, okay? All right, follow me, you guys. Voila, okay? Enter the lap of luxury here. And of course, you can fit a California king up in here. Plenty of natural lighting, you all. You do get two windows, as you can clearly see. You have enough to put two end tables, two nightstands, a nice dresser, even maybe a chest if you wanted to. And we have a sitting space. And you all, if you want to sit here and read a book or have a conversation, or just sit by the window and look outside, you can. All right. And over here, we're going to see that we have a closet space. So let me open this up for you all. Again, you get this deep seated closet where you can have plenty of space to tuck away your items. Now let me take you into the primary bathroom, okay? Now this is the owner's bathroom, and you're going to see that this home does feature a double vanity right here. So you have his and her sinks. You don't have to share. For people that want to put hair all over the sink, you're shaving, you're doing a whole bunch of stuff. And then you're going to see here, there's a garden tub over to the side with a stand-up shower. So you can either take a bath or you can soak in the tub, okay? There's nothing wrong with that. And put all your candles around and just have a nice relaxation with your ambiance. And now we have closet number two, you all. And closet number two, you're going to walk on in. You can have your his and your hers, or all of this can just strictly be for hers, and his can be outside. All right, you all. So this is the upstairs. Again, this floor plan, I believe, is the cane floor plan, and I think it's about 1,900 square feet, give or take. And then we're going to get the downstairs area. So did y'all want to follow me? And this home does come with a garage as well. interested in anything like this, single family homes, residential, please reach out to me at 980-428-2333. It is your real estate queen. Be the CEO of your financial future here. Come on, let me show you the kitchen area. So this is where all the magic happens. This is gonna be the kitchen area, okay? You get this nice oversized counter space with a barnyard sink. One thing I do love is the fact of the aesthetics in here. Look at the pendant lighting. True homes really outdid themselves with the features that they have available for anybody that's interested in purchasing. You can't go wrong. I mean, this is plenty of counter space for those that like to dine and entertain. Open concept, which easily flows over into this nice living space with the double windows. As you can see, furniture can easily fit in here. You can fit, if you wanted a 65-inch, a 70-inch screen TV, I don't know how big you want to go. Again, this is a nice conversation piece because it flows so well into all the areas of living space. Over here, we're going to show you a dining area. And you don't have to use this as a dining area. You can make this whatever you want it to be. But again, this is some nice usage of space right here. You can use this as a meeting area, conversational piece. And outside, we do have a patio. So if you don't want to do too much yard maintenance, this is what you want to have right here. It's a fenced-in area and just a little nice space to sit outside and enjoy the ambiance and get some fresh air. Over to this side over here, we're going to show you that this is a nice nook area. It's like a study area for anybody that does work from home. If you have children that want to do their homework, you can be here in the kitchen and you can have your children here doing their homework. And I think this is so cute. I'm going to show you another feature that I really like about this home. Of course, here you're going to have the half bath, so your guests don't have to walk all through your house. They can be right here and go straight to the bathroom. We already know what that looks like. This is going to be your coat closet, you all. You know what a coat closet looks like, but this is the feature that I like. So right off of here is going to be the garage. This is your mud area, you all. So what I envision is I would put 2 baskets right under here, or you could actually put your shoes underneath there, combat boots or whatever you have, Timberlands. You can hang your bags, hang book bags, whatever it is right here for this little space. And I think it is so cute, you all. Again, if you are interested in anything like this, if you are a new purchaser, if you are needing to buy or you want to list your home, list it with your real estate queen. That is T. Grush Realty, 980-428-2333. Signing out, y'all. Thank you so much.